Welcome to our exciting gardening adventure. Let's learn how to create a mini garden using recycled materials. Gather items around your home to make your mini garden. It's time to get creative and eco-friendly. Step by step, we'll show you how to plant seeds and care for your plants. Get ready to watch them grow. Put on your gardening gloves and get hands-on with this fun project. Learning about plants and sustainability is so much fun. Watering your plants is essential for their growth. Let's ensure our mini garden thrives with care and attention. Every plant has a story. Watch as your seeds sprout, grow, and flourish in your very own mini garden. Exploring the wonders of nature through gardening is a fantastic way to connect with the environment around us. Marvel at the magic of growth as your plants reach towards the sun, bringing joy and greenery into your space. Nature teaches us patience as we nurture our plants. Discover the rewards of caring for your mini garden. Join us on this green journey filled with creativity, learning, and the beauty of watching life bloom before your eyes. End of the video.